friends, welcome to our final lesson of the recorder book. It is lesson 22. I cannot believe that you have learned so much and that you've worked so hard, and even Naki and Bobby have become such good friends. And you know what? I think I want to show you all the things that you have learned so far. You have learned these notes. You've learned to play the G, the A, the B, the C, and the D. And then you have learned about the ta, tate, ta, and the sa. You have also learned about the do, the re, the mi, the fa, but not yet the so. So let's get to the final lesson. Yes, as you have most probably guessed now, our final lesson will be so. What do I mean by that? So, we are going to learn the hand sign and signals for so. Let's quickly recap. Now the do looks like this. Yes. The re, the mi, the fa, and the so. Looks like so. How easy is that? Are you ready to try that with me? If you are, open your books on page 28 and then you can look for track 88. We will say the note names first, I think, just so that you can recap. Okay, are you ready? So the first note is a G. So we'll clap and say the note names. G, A, B, C, D, G. So boys and girls, now that you know the note names, we now have to put the hand signs in place. The do, re, mi, okay, and the fa, na, fa. And it's quite exciting because we know more than we've known the last time. Are you ready to say it on a simple do, re, mi? Right, here we go. So for track 88, it's do, re, mi, fa, so, do. That's a little bit more tricky, but let's do it with a track. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and do, re, mi, fa, so, do. Well done. That's an excellent job. Now, Bobby and Naki have decided that when we do the exercises, we will get the stars and we'll put the stars on our wagon because we just deserve stars all the time because we're so good. For exercise 1, I need you to look very carefully because we start with tate notes, which is the slightly faster note. So what we're going to do, we will slow down the process, like almost slow motion. Are you ready? So what I first want us to do is just to clap the rhythm, not the rhythm, the rhythm, and then say the note names. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and G, A, B, C, D, D, C, B, A, G. So I know that is pretty easy for you, but now to try and put it on with the hand signs, the do and the re and the mi, that is pretty tricky. So I'm going to do it very slowly with you. So if you want to follow me, so it's going to be very slow. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and do, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re, do. Boys and girls, did you find that one a little bit tricky? Yep, I did too. But you know what? I'm pretty sure that we can get through this one and we will earn our star for exercise 1. Now we'll do it with track 89 in super slow motion. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and do, re, mi, fa, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Boys and girls, I have to give you an amazing applause because that was really well done. And it was slightly slower, and the better you get, the faster you can do that. And I'm pretty sure that we should put a little star on our wagon, and then we can go to exercise number 2. That's slightly easier. Can you see that that starts on a note that counts 3? What do we call that again, or how would we clap that? Ta, ah. Absolutely. Now let's quickly clap the rhythm and say the note names. Are you ready for it? So we're starting on a, yes, on a D. I think Auntie D would be very proud that we remember this. Come on, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, and D, C, B, A, B, G. You know what? I forgot that I should not be applauding like that. I should have used just my 2 fingers. So I hope that you remembered to use only 2 fingers. And next time I'll make sure that I remember to use 2 fingers. Now what I would like for us to do is to try and do the hand signs. If we start on the D, what would the D be? The D will be the so note. So should we talk through it? Yes, let's talk through it first. We're going to start on a so. So it's 1, 2, 3, and so, fa, mi, re, mi, do. Yes. So what always triggers us is when we have the tate notes, because it's slightly more difficult. So when we do this with a track now, make sure that when you come down from the fa, mi, re, mi, do. Okay, are you going to watch out for that? Let's do this with track 90. I'm in so position. 1, 2, 3, and so, fa, mi, re, mi, do. Were you able to do that? Even with the faster notes? Did you see how easy it is when you sing it rather than say it? I am super proud of you, and I think they are too. And here we go. Second star coming your way. So boys and girls, we only have 3 more exercises in this book. 3 more. We are going to make these 3 the best 3 exercises ever. Now, exercise 3. Lots of tate notes. Are we going to say it on the G and the A and the B? Right. I'm going to count you in, and then we will clap the rhythm and say the note names. And then we're going to do the hand signs and signals. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and G, A, B, B, C, D, 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 G. G, that was pretty easy, but let's see what we do here now. I'm going to count us in again, and we are going to use our hand signs. Are you ready for that? 1, 2, 3, and do, re, re, mi, fa, so, do. Well done. Now, boys and girls, I think we are ready to sing along with the do, re, mi. It sounds like a song we're composing once again, and that's what music is about. It's always about a new song and just having fun. I'm going to count us in, and we're starting on the do. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and do, re, re, mi, fa, so, do. Oh, I have to breathe so much. I sometimes think that I can't sing so high and such a long phrase, but you know what? We did it, and for that reason, we are getting another star. 2 to go. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Because I am super excited. Right, boys and girls, I think we're going to straight away say the do and the re's and the sa. Let's see what we do with that. Okay, I'm going to count you in very nicely, and then we're going to do it slowly at first. Are you ready? And we start again on a do. 1, 2, 3, and do, sa, re, sa, mi, fa, so. Whew, that is a tricky one. Where do we show the sa, or do you just, what would you do? I prefer just to show my hand as if we would have a sa. So let's do that again. On a do, 1, 2, 3, and do, sa, re, sa, mi, fa, so. Are you ready to sing it now? Right, boys and girls, we can sing track 92 with the do, re, mi. I'm starting on the do once again. Right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and do, re, mi, fa, so. Well done. I think that we are getting our second last star for this recorder course, and then we are going to nail the last one. The last one is going to be the easiest. Let's go straight into it. Boys and girls, if you look very carefully, that note is a D. Is that the do? Is that a re? Is it a mi? Is it a fa? Or is it so? Yes, it is so. Do you agree? I'm sure they agree with me right now. Let's talk through this. So it's so. Oops, I didn't count you in. Oh, silly me. I'm going to count you in now. Are you ready for it? 1, 2, 3, and so, do, re, mi, fa, so, do. So it's a little bit tricky, but I'm sure we can do this. We are going to try and sing this now with track 93. Are you ready? Are you ready? This is the last time you can sing this with me for this recorder course. Are you ready? Right, I'm counting us in. We're starting on a so. 1, 2, 3, and so. And that sounds like a wrap. I think that you deserve your 5th star, which is your last yellow star for this amazing course that you've been doing. And you know what, boys and girls? We all hope that you will continue to practice very hard and maybe start playing other instruments at some stage, but practice. We are very, very proud of you all, and we will see you soon, I hope. Goodbye. Goodbye, all our children.